Need a trailer that's built to haul valuable vehicles with confidence? Introducing the 2026 Homesteader 8.5x38 Gooseneck car hauler. With its sleek silver exterior, blacked-out package, and massive 38-foot design, this trailer delivers the professional look and heavy-duty capability serious haulers demand. Massive hauling capacity. Featuring a 21,000-pound GVWR and over 13,000 pounds of payload capacity, this trailer is built to transport race cars, classic cars, show vehicles, UTVs, and valuable equipment safely. Spacious interior. Enjoy nearly 30 feet of enclosed cargo space plus an 8-foot gooseneck area. The upgraded 84-inch interior height gives you extra room for larger vehicles and equipment. Equipped with heavy-duty 5,000-pound D-rings and floor-mounted E-track systems, securing your vehicles and cargo is quick, easy, and reliable. This trailer includes insulated ceiling construction, interior LED lighting, 30-amp electrical package, multiple 110-volt outlets, exterior GFI outlet, and roof vent preparation for air conditioning. Independent torsion suspension axles, aluminum wheels, radial tires, one-piece aluminum roof, and reinforced construction provides smooth towing and long-term durability. Ideal for car collectors, races, dealerships, motorsports teams, contractors, and anyone needing premium enclosed transportation. The 2026 Homesteader 8.5x38 Gooseneck car hauler is available now. Contact us today for pricing, financing options, and availability before this premium unit is gone.